Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Splitwise app. Tutorial for beginners. So what Splitwise app is a expense splitting app designed to help friends, families, and roommates manage share costs easily. It allows users to track bills, pay debts, and keep track of group expenses all in one place. So there's no confusion and arguing about what bills are split. Everything is in one place and it leaves no room for arguing. So for example, here you can add friends to Splitwise just by adding them from your contacts, or you can add friends by going on to add a new account. So type in their name and then that person will get an email to accept, and then you can add them to your friend list. If you click on add expense, you'll have the option to share this expense with your pre-existing contacts. So you need to make sure that the person that you're splitting the bill with is already on Splitwise and are a friend, so they need to download the app and also accept the invitation. So for example, say we went for a meal and the total cost was $100, and here you can change the currency, so it's British pound. And here you can go on to select a little icon here, and then we can select what day it was and paid by you. And here we can decide how we split up the bill. So say that I paid the full cost and Joe needs to send me pounds, or we can go into options here and we can go ahead and exactly do the exact amount. So say that we can select the manual amount here and press save, and press save here. So as you can see here, I've got an email saying join Splitwise, and then we can go in here. Also, if you go to groups, we can start a group. So for example, apartment 301, you can select for a trip, couple or others. So if you're traveling with friends, you can keep track of everything here. Or for example, if you are sharing a home and the bills, for example, the phone bills, etc., you can go here. You can also set up reminders, but this is a paid feature. And then you can press done. And here you can add other members. And then up here, you will see the list of all the people. And here you can add as many people as you want. And here we can add expenses. So I can see the expenses will be split with 2 people because I have 2 people in this example demonstration account. So for example, say I brought the groceries for the house. I spent, again, £75. For example, cleaning, it was $100, £100. We can save here. As you can see, the total has been divided equally. We can go up here and you can click here again, and you can select exactly how you want the bill split. So here we can go ahead and type in a manual amount. Here we can do a percentage, etc. So it's very versatile. Just save here, and you can just keep on adding expenses. So for example, say that it was the rent. So we can click rent here, and then we can put $1,000, and then you can choose how it is split. So you can go to more options and choose the exact percentage. So paid by you and split equally. So everyone will need to pay the amount equally. And as you can see, the money is starting to stack up. So each payment will add, and it will keep track of the pre-existing payments and make sure they're all added up. So nothing bad is created. Also, you can make as many groups as you want with different people. They don't have to be just in your house. You can go for a trip together. So trip to you or a couple. If you are a couple, you can split the bills for groceries, etc. Select a start date and a finish date. So for example, 2 weeks. Then we can press done. And if you go back, you'll see the different groups that we have. So trip to US. Here we can add the members. go ahead and add as many members as you want, and then once you're in the group, you just go add expense. So yeah, this is a very good feature. So flights, and you can go ahead and find a nice little icon to go with it. So plane, as you see here, say it was 1,000, and you can select who paid it for it and also how to split it. So you can do percentage and 50%. And on activity, you can see all of the activities here. And then account, you can see all of your account details here. So this is a very easy to use software that allows you to keep your expenses tracked very easily. You can create as many groups as you want. So you can do family, trip, household expenses all in separate groups and keep them all tracked very easily. You can invite your friends so there's no admin, no one is in charge, everyone gets equal rights and they can input anything. It's very efficient. It removes any chances of arguing. And yeah, it's very easy to use. As long as you invite all your friends and everyone has the app downloaded, it's great. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.